Hey, and welcome to Walking in the Park. Now, this is a dancing song, so make sure that when you stand up, or if you're sitting on the floor, that's okay too. While you're moving around your room, make sure there's no toys on the floor, nothing you can trip over or get hurt on. And if you're dancing with another person, like a family member, brother, sister, dog, mom, grandma, whoever it is, make sure that you keep your body in your own personal space. We don't want to accidentally hit somebody, because that might really hurt them. So make sure if you're stretching your arms out, give yourself more than enough space to do some awesome dancing. All right, we are, depending on what the weather looks like at your house, you might be able to take a walk outside today. I can't. It's very gray and rainy here today while I'm making this recording. So we're going to pretend we're going outside on a walk. We're going to go to the park. And one of the first things you might see at a park when you go, maybe you see a dog walking around. So we're going to walk today, just like a dog and a person might walk along. For you, that might mean 4 legs. I know I like to walk on 2 legs. Just make sure whatever you choose to do, you're safe. So let's walk. Oh, I was walking in the park one day and came across a dog at play. And the dog said, woof, 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 woof. Woof, 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 woof. Excellent. Our next animal we're going to see lives up in the trees, likes to fly around, so we're going to do some flying along with her. Oh, I was walking in the park one day and came across a bird at play, and the bird said tweet, tweet, tweet. Tweet, 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 tweet. All right, sometimes when I'm at the park, there might be a little pond or a lake. Sometimes I see fish. And when I see fish, they're usually swimming. So this time we're going to do some swimming, just like a fish. Oh, I was walking in the park one day and came across a fish at play, and the fish said blub, 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 blub. Hopefully you had some fun with that fish noise. Alright, let's see, what other animals could we see in the park? Now, I have one. It's not really my favorite. Sometimes you might see a snake. Now, when we see snakes, we don't touch them. I like to just look at them because they move a really cool way. Snakes like to slither. So this time we're going to slither like a snake. Well, I was walking in the park one day and came across a snake at play. And the snake said, ooh, moving on from our friend the snake. Now this one's a little cuter. They usually like to live in holes in the ground, and they have long ears. Any guesses? If you guessed bunny, you're right. We're gonna hop like a bunny this time. Oh, I was walking in the park one day and came across a bunny at play, and the bunny went hop, 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 hop. Excellent. Last time through, you get to choose an animal. I'm sure there's so many we haven't done. You might see squirrels or chipmunks or maybe even a groundhog. Maybe you see a big goose on the water, or you can make up an animal. Maybe you want to be a tiger. We don't usually see tigers in the park, but they're fun. Would be fun to prowl like a tiger. You could pretend like you're a seal that swims in the water. Whatever animal you would like to do this time. Oh, I was walking in the park one day and came across a at play, and I said la 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 la. Excellent dancing. Thank you for keeping your your body safe and your hands to yourself, and I'll see you in the next song.